Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when after installing this update, that is KB5062553 on your Windows 11 computer. If the Windows HDR is not working, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So you can press Windows plus Alt plus B and you can check if it's working or not. If it's not working, in that case, you can uninstall this update. Now to uninstall this update, you can go to Windows Update and then go to Update History, scroll down and then click on Uninstall Update. Let me inform you that uninstalling Windows Update is not recommended, but if you're facing problem and if you want to uninstall it, you can go to Windows Update and then go to Update History and then at the bottom click on Uninstall Update, and then over here you will see this update KB5062553. In front of it you will see uninstall option. Hit uninstall and you read this: uninstall this update. Uninstalling update may put your PC at risk. So if you agree, only if you agree, click on uninstall, and once the uninstall is complete, this process will take some time. Once the uninstall is complete, then restart your computer. Restart is a must after this, and after the system restart you can check your Windows HDR and it should start working. And after you restart your computer, make sure that you pause the update. So after system restart, you can go to Windows settings and go to Windows Update and then pause the update. You can pause the update for maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You can select the period, and if you don't pause the update, it will install that update once again. Automatically it will install the update. So you can pause the update, and in future whenever you want to resume updates, if you want to get future updates, you can always click on resume updates to install future updates. And uninstalling the update should fix your HDR. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.